So, Evan, tell
Talk
me
to
your
me.
claim to fame.
So it's a Minimax, right? So the Minimax weighs 30 pounds. What made it so awesome is that the current operation, it's a hydraulically driven, is the old way, right? So it had this pump, it had 50-foot of hoses, had this tool that was, 40 pounds, took 2 people to operate, then you had to have a generator, and every 10 cuts you had to move it, right? So what I did is I said, this has to get better, has to get easier, because cutting tendon sucks. So our motto is, let's make it less shitty. I know you can bleep that out, right? So
I think everyone needs to hear
what
that.
it is now it's down to one person driven by a drill. That means that with a drill and the Minimax, you can cut tendon anywhere in the world as long as you have those two things together. You can cut through water, you can cut in bad days, good days. But the great thing about it, it's the safest, most reliable tendon shear in the world. And it's been proven. We're global, so we got coast to coast, border to border. We've gone global. We're in Japan, we're in Norway, we're in Great Britain, because people understand that tendon finishing is super important, right? Because it's got this waterfall effect to it, where after you cut the tendon, from cut 1 to cut 4,000, you could take a cap, put it on there, and from cut 1 to cut 4,000, it's going to be the exact same length. So now you can speed up your process, and now the job gets faster, and you're going to cut down the cost of a job and cut down the cost of labor, right? So you went from 2 people to 1, and I keep hearing from all of our customers, which is so awesome to hear, is that this machine pays for itself in 2 pours.
I would believe, and I'll even go a step farther from my personal experience in repair. The part I love about it is the tails actually cut to length that we know that cap's going on. We do so many repairs where the biggest failure was the fact that the tails were cut too long and the cap couldn't seal. We just recently did a video where you can see the water from the cap when we hit it with a gun and open it up. The water squirts out from the grease cap. And if they would have had the Minimax, we would have never have had those problems.
Dude, you should do a commercial. I'm serious.
That's it.
No, seriously. And that's the thing is like there's a water. I don't use water, but there's a waterfall effect to this machine that just it pays for itself very quickly. As long as you use it correctly, which is super easy, just put a drill on it, cuts it in 2 seconds, and you're good to go.
I said I love that part of it. And the part I like more is the advancements you have coming in the future
Let's
here
go,
for
man.
the little shorties, because in a repair position,
Let's go,
man,
dude.
you're the lifesaver.
Let's go,
bro.
dude.
So
Let's go.
appreciate it.
I'm
So
pumped,
thank
man.
you.
Let's go.
My big question here is in 5 seconds, can you tell me what post-tensioning is?
Yes. So post-tension makes concrete bulletproof. So it takes concrete, compresses it, and it allows it to move with the soil, but it makes it bulletproof. So instead of just naturally reinforced, it's got rebar, it'll fall apart with really bad soils. Concrete compression, it's like that thing you used to do with your fingers, that little game you used to play. Compresses it, got wedges in there, and once it's compressed, it's bulletproof. And you can do really amazing things. So you got these really long spans, these really gorgeous views. You go into a parking garage, you don't have a lot of beams or posts, you can park really easy. Thank you, Post Tension.
Dude, I love it.
Let's go, man.